Number 2. Shark NV752 True Pet Upright Vacuum. Shark's original full-size 2-in-1 bagless powered lift-away upright vacuum with detachable pod for portable cleaning. With the touch of a button, powered lift-away technology allows you to lift the pod away and deep clean hard-to-reach areas, like under furniture, while still delivering power to keep the brush roll spinning. Equipped with advanced swivel steering and powerful LED lights on the handheld vacuum and nozzle, this vacuum has a completely sealed system with a HEPA filter to trap over 99.9% of dust and allergens. The fingertip controls allow for easy powering on